Hello everyone! Today is March the 3rd, 2018 and I am back at my house for spring break. I am so excited I finally just get to chill, relax, and study for upcoming exams after break. But you guys saw me yesterday from the time lapse and the little video montage I made. But I was just returning some foundation. I bought something really cute. I might show you guys what I bought if it gets warm enough to wear it. But right now it's a little bit chilly. I might be able to. But currently at the moment I don't have any set plans for spring break. I know I'm going to be with my family, I know I'm going to be hanging out with some friends, and I know I'm trying to plan out something just to go 2 hours away from here and do something fun. But right now I think I'm just gonna just go around. I think I'm going to be going somewhere. I might put a little bit of video of that, but right now I'm just gonna relax. But why even putting a button here when it's has no purpose at all? Good morning everyone, today is the 3rd, today is the 5th of March. I'm completely losing track of time, I don't know, but today I'm actually going to be doing, oh my gosh, it is too dark. But today I'm actually going to be doing something. I'm going to be meeting up with a friend. I think we're going to grab a coffee. I think I told her to surprise me, for where we're going, so I hope it's gonna be good. I don't know, I'm not picky. I love to eat everything, I love to drink everything. Take me out to dinner and I'll eat anything. But I'm sorry, I've been kind of MIA. I haven't been doing anything, I'm gonna be honest. Either I've been just laying around doing nothing, or I've been kind of editing my introduction video here and there. But I am not an expert at editing things. I'm just using iMovie. But if anyone knows anything that I could edit with for Windows laptop, then please let me know, because I wish I had a Mac. It would make everything easier. But I love my yoga, I'm not gonna get rid of it. So I'm just gonna, I think she's here right now, but I'm gonna meet up with her and we're gonna go get some coffee. So cute. And if you go on the inside here, I don't know if we're supposed to be going in here, but it looks like it should be a little restaurant or something. I mean, yeah, but it's abandoned right now, so. I need to close the door. You got it. Is it locked? Is it open? No, look. These are condoms. What? These are condoms on the dress.
Oh, I didn't even see that.
That's high end right there. today is the 8th of March, I believe. My apologies for being MIA throughout the past few days. I think Tuesday, I went to my old high school to give a presentation about my college. That was kind of fun. I just kind of realized now that high school is so much more different than college, like with the schedule, waking up. Like my usual day in college is just waking up around between 7 or 8 o'clock, but I woke up at 5:45, so I get there around 7:30. Like that killed me for all the rest of the day. Like props to y'all who are like waking up that early, because I'm completely not used to it anymore. So I did that on Tuesday. I'm kind of proud of myself for giving a presentation that I kind of rushed on the night before. I didn't even look at it. I think I gave it about 5 times, but I'm kind of glad that's over with. And then Wednesday, did some schoolwork or just did not do anything at all. I know I binge watched some Kitchen Nightmares. Gordon Ramsay, love him. Love him. But I also posted my introduction video. Thank y'all for 50 views. I know that's not a lot, but thank you guys for actually watching my video. I hope you guys watch more of my videos. So it took me about 3 times actually to post that video. The first time I tried to post a video, I couldn't put my thumbnail on it, the one I made, because I had to verify my account. I didn't know how to do that. So I did that, and then on the second try, I accidentally duplicated it. So the third time was a charm. I posted my video, and I actually spelled introduction wrong. I put introduction, I forgot the T. For now, I think I'm gonna be going somewhere, and I'll just kind of like keep you guys updated. So I'm back at my house right now. I am in my bed. Just kind of binge watch some more clips of shows and stuff. Check social media. I think I finished an essay for a scholarship, and I kind of did most of my visa, like the thing that'll actually get me to Japan. But I don't know, today's just kind of been a weird day. Not weird, but kind of like surreal. It's been kind of like snowing on and off since yesterday. Like in the morning yesterday, it's kind of, I thought it was actually gonna stick, and then nothing happened yesterday, and then today it was just a little bit of a flurry. And then coming back home, I don't know if you guys saw it from my video, but this kind of was a little bit of a flurry, not as much, maybe a little bit of sprinkle if it was rain. But I'm back at my home right now. I'm just gonna probably call it a night, do some more schoolwork, but I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. If not, then I'll see you on the next day or next day where I'm here. But good night, and I'll see you guys soon. One thing I forgot to mention though was when I was looking at my video, my introduction video, I did misspell subscribe, put sunscribe. So if you want to sunscribe, you can do that too, but I'll prefer you guys to subscribe. So that was on me. Probably will happen again. That's all for now, and I will see you guys shortly. What is up, guys? So today is I think it's the 8th of March. If I'm not correct, then shoot me. But so my original plan for today was my family to go hiking. We were gonna go hike around the Blue Ridge because my friend told me, my friend from Monday, she told me about this place. It's about a mile away from a trail, and it was like the remains of like a crashed plane. I mean, like it crashed like years ago. It's not recent, but my plans were for my family and I to go hike there and to see what it was about, and to see the plane in person and take pictures and stuff. But because of the current weather right now, I know in the north it's been snowing a lot. The snowstorms, we've been getting a little bit of effect here too. Like I kind of mentioned, it's been kind of snowing on and off around here, a little bit of flurries. My guessing is that they closed off most of the entrances to the Blue Ridge Parkway. I think only one of them was open. Only one entrance was open near Biltmore, but there is no way I'm gonna go to that entrance and then drive like what, an hour and a half to where I originally wanted to go. So my plan for right now is I'm gonna meet up with another friend. I'll introduce her to y'all. She is so nice, love her. Haven't seen her in months since about Christmas break. Our plan is we're gonna go around Asheville. There is this little trail that some people go to see the view of like downtown Asheville, the whole like Asheville view, skyline. My brother's been there a few times. He said it was cool looking. So we're gonna try to go there. The only downside of it is the only downside to it is it's private property. So we kind of have to sneak in there, but he gave me instructions on how to get there. But I'm gonna go to this meeting place. I'm gonna meet her up and then I'll see you guys soon. So I finally met up with her now. Here's my friend.
Hi.
Introduce yourself.
Okay, my name's Venus. I know, like the planet. What up? I'm Erica's favorite brown friend.
Well, there you go.
So, yeah.
So we're gonna go to that place I was talking about before, and we'll see you guys there.
Bye.
Finally here, but do you know what happened over there?
Probably like pipe bursted or something. I don't know,
but let's go. Okay, so we got here. Besides that crash, I think we're good.
Yeah.
Right? But it's really windy up here, and the directions my brother gave me is kind of sketch. Yeah, he gave us on a piece of paper. We have to cross a bridge, and we have to cross the intersection, I think, and then we have to crawl through this. I think you have to like crawl through a fence to get there. So it's really specific and kind of sketchy. So
what an adventurous life.
That is true. We'll keep you guys updated. Okay, so I see the tank where we're supposed to be we're supposed to be going through, I think, or like is the tank more of a designated area?
It's more of like a designated area, I would say.
But look at this sky. I don't know, it's just so pretty out here and cold. But do we cross now? Okay, I'm crossing now. Let's go.
Look at the view.
She thought the view was pretty, but I thought she was prettier.
Thanks, Erica.
Oh. Oh, is this worth it? Can I?
Here, I'll take it.
Are you gonna get me doing it? Oh, there's a trail.
Woo!
Okay. Honestly, like what, 5 minutes in, I'm already out of breath. I think we're supposed to end up in that area right there. So we finally made it, and let me tell you, first of all, the view is beautiful here. Like the video cannot compare to like the real life thing. Wait over here. It's worth it, like breaking the law, right? It's worth it to break the law to like get this kind of view.
Daily adventures of Erica and Venus doing illegal things.
Don't call the cops on us. But over here, as you can see, there's some red spots in the sky. If I can zoom over here too, the sun is setting over there, I guess. But for now, oh, that is so pretty. You can see like the spot there. But we'll keep you guys updated, and we'll try to get a picture or video of the sunset. Okay, guys. So fun fact about me, I am extremely scared of heights, and this right here is not going well for me. It's much higher than it looks from the video, I can assure that. But good thing we're safe, good thing we're like 3 feet away from it, right?
Yeah. Okay. Living life on the edge, literally.
need to eat something.
We're parched as well.
Parched.
Hashtag thirsty. Honestly, we're gonna die out here. Like,
We're gonna either fall down
Yeah.
these rocks or get caught by the police.
oh my god!
Are you okay?
Oh wait, are you okay? I think I'm okay. I hit it against a rock. I'm sorry.
Knock on wood. Okay, so before we eat, we're going back to Urban Outfitters. On Monday, I saw this really cute phone case, and I don't have a phone case, and I really do need one, so I'm gonna get it here then. About 8 o'clock right now. Okay, so we're about to eat ML mushroom, which is right there.
So hungry.
I know. So I haven't eaten here in what, years? It feels like years. Probably just been like 1 year or so. This place is so cool looking. It's probably dark right now, but they have like lights here. Really? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's around 9 o'clock now, and I forgot to mention this to y'all, but we're actually picking up a friend because he's coming back from a school, like a high school. It's a
kinda
smart
cool.
school. It is. Like you have to apply and everything,
I
like
see the
college.
bus.
You see it?
Yeah.
What was I saying? Oh, you could apply to school, kind of like a college application and stuff. It's for high schoolers. It's super smart, like school science and math. Check it out if you guys are sophomores and freshmen. If you want to like.
We were too dumb to get in. So.
I actually applied 10th grade. I didn't get in. Salty. Where's the bus at again?
It's not a stop sign if there's no cop.
Okay, Venus. Okay.
It's not a
Oh.
stop if there ain't a cop.
I see it.
Keep right there, right there, right there. Keep going. Pull up, pull up. Pull up, pull up.
Okay. I can't honk.
Hello?
Vlog.
Apenas recogimos a Daniel.
Oh, shut. Come on, shut the fuck up.
Yeah, his bus was late.
So introduce yourself.
My name's Daniel Alfada. I am a
Yo, listen,
junior at the
Casa.
very prestigious North Carolina School of Science
Huh?
and Mathematics
No,
that Erica
we're
did not
leaving
get
Daniel
into,
first.
I may say. She has this beautiful Suburban. It's a 2005.
2005.
Yeah.
This isn't even a Suburban.
No
my
shit,
boss.
Sherlock.
Daniel, shut up.
Just get in.
I'm gonna sit on your lap.
Do you, no, get out of here. You're not even happy to see me.
I am.
Daniel, get in the bag.
Okay.
Oh, hold on, I have to still have.
This is illegal. This is illegal.
Gotta hug me too.
Oh wait, on the video? Yeah.
Okay, move. Get in the bag.
We got some pizza.
Look at my Snapchat. It's like blowing up. Just saying.
Say little bitch.
Is that clean version? you gotta keep it clean for the vlog.
Want me to say something or?
And that's it. You can go. What are you doing? Stop! What'd you do? What is up, guys? Today is the 11th of March. Today is a Sunday. I did not vlog yesterday because it was the last full day where I could be with my family. We ate at a restaurant and then we picked up some supplies so we could bring it back to our colleges. Yesterday at the restaurant, the waitress was talking to us. She was super nice and she was kind of joking, telling us stories. And we were kind of joking around too. We were like, oh, it's my brother's birthday. And she was like, oh, okay. And we were like, no, we're just kidding. But then she was like, oh, I'll just get you guys a sundae on the house, complimentary. And we're like, oh, she's kidding. But a few minutes after that, she came back with this sundae covered in whipped cream and chocolate syrup. She was lovely. She was such a nice lady. It was on the house, so we had a good lunch, and then we went to pick up supplies, as I said, and then we came back home and we just kind of rested and were packing. And then today we left our house. They dropped me off to my college here. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is my dorm. I mean, it's bigger than the usual dorm room, but it's small, it's quaint, it's cute. It's my room. I might give like a tour of the area soon. But since today is Sunday, today's the last day, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I'm not gonna do anything special today. I'm gonna catch up on some work and rest and sleep early. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I said this in the beginning too, but please comment down below if you guys know any softwares for Windows that's good for editing, something equivalent to iMovie, because I don't want to use my phone. It's taking up too much battery to edit videos. I would greatly appreciate it. It could be free, it could be cheap. I just want like a nice software to edit videos. So yeah, I'm ending the vlog here because today is Sunday. It's the last day of spring break. I have school tomorrow. I'm not gonna do anything interesting today. I'm just gonna relax and catch up on some work before class. Like this video if you enjoyed watching me, and please subscribe to my channel if you want more content, if you want to know more about my life. This is my second video after all, so there's plenty more coming. So I'm gonna end it here, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.